This video you will learn about conditional rendering in React. This is the first video about this topic. So let's just have a look. Here we have my packing list, and we have like t-shirt, jacket, and jean. So what this does is, if I want to say I already packed my t-shirt, then it's supposed to show me a tick right after the t-shirt, right? So let me just show you that. I can just simply change this to true, right? Let's have a look, and this is done, right? So meaning that I have already packed t-shirt. So let's have a look how this code works. So here we have a function. Here I just call this as an item, and we also have the name, also the is packed as well. Just we want to check whether it's true or it's false. Okay, so this is the property. So we get the value from this property, right? We are the property. So here, this is the conditional rendering. We use the if condition. So if it is packed, it means that it is true. Then we want to return the name of the item and have the tick after the item name. Okay. Otherwise, we just want to show the name itself, just the name of the item, that's it. And down here, we have the information, right? We have the H1 tag, my packing list, and this is each of the item. And here, this is packed, whether it's true or false. If it's true, meaning that it go into this condition, so it show the tick after the name. Otherwise, false, it will skip this part and go to the next one, just showing the name, right? Nothing behind this name right here. So if I change this to true, the condition is true, then it will go to this one. So it will show the tick after this one as well, the jean. Okay, so that's how it works. Very simple. This is the first video about conditional rendering. In next video, I will show you another version how you can achieve the same.